Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to upload files or folders using the Dropbox desktop application. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already installed the application in my device in case you have not to install it right now. If you don't know how to install it or from where to download it, we have created a video regarding that as well. Once you install the application, you can see the Dropbox folder icon or simply location right here in File Explorer. As you can see, these are my Dropbox folders. Now let's just say I want to upload something from right here. Simply paste any folder or file right here. I'm going to open up the Dropbox application, and as you can see, the files are being uploaded. Now I'm gonna go to dropbox.com. Right here, as you can see, the files have been uploaded to my Dropbox account online as well. And guys, that is it. That's how you upload files to Dropbox from your desktop. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.